beast in the form of human, sir. It is because of him that my face is disfigured today, sir. His sins have led to his death, sir. Sir, he used to work at Kozhikode Medical College. Before his marriage, he used to supply the dead animals to the lab, the ones used for medical studies. He may say that he doesn't remember anything, but even if he remembers, he won't tell you anything. Sir, there is one more thing. About 5 to 6 months ago, a young boy came to me. He was talking about medical college. Very handsome. He was cool and smart in appearance. He mentioned about the hospital in Thrissur district. Yes, a doctor.
Raghavan. Is it?
Yes, I am. Who are you?
Sir, even girls used to study at that college. He told me her name. I think it was like Suja. Yes, it was Suja. He inquired about. That girl is no more. Do you know anything about her? He was asking him this type of questions. Even then, he said that he did not remember anything.
Is he the same person?
Yes, he is the same person.
Sir.
SM Hospital. Suja Memorial Hospital. This case wherein Krishnadas lost his voice and the death of Suja, Dr. Arun's sister, are definitely interconnected, sir. But nothing makes sense.
Sir, Sharad, sir.
Hello, Divya ma'am. I'm here at SM Hospital right now. Dr. Arun is not here, ma'am.
Where is he?
Arun is in Kozhikode. There is a surgery in the evening at Sunrise Hospital there. He will perform the surgery as the visiting neurosurgeon. The patient to be operated upon...
Dr. Xavier Punnus.
That's right, sir. But Dr. Arun's phone is not accessible, sir.
Get ready, trace the number and find him. Sir.
Hello, I'm calling from Thrissur Commissioner Office. We need one unit at Calicut Sunrise Hospital immediately. Right now, make way.
Yes, sir. Once in every 2 weeks, Dr. Arun visits this hospital as a visiting neurosurgeon. And at the same time, he also supervises his home being renovated in Kozhikode. Because of weak network there, his phone may not be reachable.
His home?
Yes, he's a native of Kozhikode. From there, he went to Thrissur. Anyway, sir, I'll send you his location right away.
Sijo,
Sir.
we'll split in 2 teams. And you, Divya, reach Sunrise Hospital right away.
Sir.